Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to your new class 3. This is your science class of new edition. Coming toward your first chapter, Unit 1, Animals with Backbone. What are main groups of animal with backbone? Here we will discuss one by one. There are many kinds of animals with a backbone in the world. Scientists divide these animals into 5 groups. Number 1, mammals. Mammals have hairs on their bodies. Mammals give birth to their babies. Young mammals feed on milk from their mothers. All mammals have a bony skeleton. Humans are also mammals. Here you can see some pictures of different kind of mammals: horse, goat, and deer. These all are animals. Dolphins and whales are also mammals. They live in water. Birds are the only mammals that can fly. Number 2, birds. Birds are the animals that have feathers on their bodies. Most of birds are flying animals. A bird has feathers, a beak, 2 wings, and claws. Birds have hollow bones. It makes their bodies very light. Birds lay eggs. Birds fly with their wings. Birds are very beautiful. Here you can see the picture of eagle, that they have some features: the feathers, wings, beak, claws. Here are some other birds: owl, parrots, sparrow. So बर्ड्स क्या चीज़ है? बर्ड्स वो एनिमल्स हैं जिनके फेदर्स होते हैं, विंग्स भी होते हैं, बीक्स भी होते हैं, क्लॉज भी होते हैं. ठीक है, क्लॉज का मतलब है पंजे. और बर्ड्स के जो बोन्स होते हैं वो उसको हॉलो बोन्स इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि ये इनके उड़ने में इनको मदद देते हैं. ठीक है. नंबर 3, रेप्टाइल्स. The animals which have dry, scaly skin and lay eggs are called reptiles. Most reptiles have 4 limbs, but snakes do not. Snake, crocodile, turtles, tortoise, and lizard are reptiles. Animals जो है reptiles वो animals होते हैं जिनकी स्किन जो है वो ड्राई होती है और बिल्कुल जो है ये बहुत सख्त होती है. ठीक है. और ये अंडे देने वाले जानवर होते हैं. ठीक है. तो इस क्लास को हम क्या कहते हैं? रेप्टाइल्स. इसमें मुख्तलिफ एग्जांपल्स है: लिजर्ड, स्नेक, क्रोकोडाइल. यू कैन सी दीज एनिमल्स इन द पिक्चर्स. Tortoises and turtles can live on land as well as in water. Turtles spend nearly all their lives in the sea. So ये मोस्टली कहाँ पे ज़्यादातर रहते हैं? समंदर में, पानी में ये ज़्यादातर होते हैं. Amphibians. Amphibians can live on land as well as in water. Most amphibians have wet and smooth skin. Amphibians lay eggs. Toads, salamanders and frogs are amphibians. Dear students, ये एम्फीबियंस जो है दोनों जगहों पे रहते हैं, खुश्की में भी और पानी में भी, दोनों जगह पे ये रहते हैं. मोस्टली जो एम्फीबियन होते हैं उनका स्किन बहुत सॉफ्ट और वो होता है बहुत ज़्यादा, इसमें जो है ना इसकी स्किन बहुत स्मूथ होती है और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ये नमी भी बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. एम्फीबियंस ले एग्स. Toads, salamanders and frog are amphibians. Fish live in water. Every fish has gills, fins and a tail. They use gills to take in air from water. They use fins and a tail to move about in water. Most fish have scales on their skin and lay eggs. फिश मोस्टली कौन से किस्म के होते हैं? ये मोस्टली जो है ना पानी में रहते हैं। इनके जो मेन फीचर्स होते हैं वो गिल्स होती हैं, फिन्स होती है और टेल होते हैं। गिल्स इनके ये गिल्स इनके हवा लेने में और हवा ऑक्सीजन इनटेक करने में ये इनको हेल्प करते हैं। ठीक है। अ बेबी फिश इज कॉल्ड अ फ्राई, अ ग्रुप ऑफ फिश इज कॉल्ड स्कूल। Exercise question number 1, fill in the circle of the correct option. Number 1, these animals have hair on their bodies. Options are given: reptiles, mammals, birds. So the correct option is mammals. Number 2, snake, crocodiles and lizard belong to bird, amphibian, reptiles. So the correct option is reptiles. Amphibian lives only in water, on land as well as in water, or only on land. Option number 2. The baby of which animal is called fry? A fish, tortoise, or frog? A fish. Birds are birds only because of their wings, their beaks, their feathers. So their feathers. Salamanders belong to mammals, reptiles, or amphibian. Amphibian. Filling the blanks using the following science words: fish, hollow, mammal, snake, amphibians. Dolphins are mammals. Number 2, a dash has no legs. Snake. Gills are present in dash. Fish. Birds have dash bones. Hollow. Salamander, frogs and toads are amphibian. Dear students, question number 3, science fun, color and label the part of birds. So color this diagram from page number, color and label from page number 4 from this picture. It's your homework and do it in your book. Dear students, now coming toward the question answers. You will do these question answers in your notebooks. Question number 1, name the 5 group of animals with a backbone. Answer: following 5 groups of animals with a backbone are fish, reptile, amphibian, birds, mammals. Question 2, write 3 features of mammals. 3 features of mammals are the following: mammals have hair on their bodies, mammals give birth to their babies, all mammals have a bony skeleton. Question number 3, give 4 examples of reptiles. Reptiles have dry scaly skin and lay eggs. Reptiles have 4 limbs. Reptiles usually live on land. They lay their eggs on land. Question 4, how do fish take in air from water? Answer: fish live in water. Every fish has gills, fins and a tail. They use gills to take in air from water. Question number 5, write features and examples of amphibians. Amphibians can live on land as well as in water. Amphibians have wet and smooth skin. Amphibians lay eggs. Example: toads, salamanders and frogs. Question 6, write part of the body that make bird different from other animals. Birds are the animals that have feathers on their bodies. Most of the birds are flying animals. A bird has feathers, a beak, 2 wings and claws. So this is all your question answer. Kindly students, complete your homework and do these question answers in your notebook. Thank you.